Hello everyone, welcome to this video where they require us to explain, but without plotting the graph, whether the point lies on a graph, and in this case the graph is y equals to 4x minus 5. So how do we proceed to solve this? Well, if a point lies on the graph, then the point must satisfy the equation. Meaning, if I substitute 4 into here, it must give me back my 11 for the y coordinate. Okay, so that is how we approach this question. So we are step 1, we are going to substitute 4 inside here. So you will see 4 times 4. And I realize that it gives me back my 11. And therefore, the point is, and thus lie on the graph. So let's check for part B. Using the same approach, just that now my x no longer is 4, but is negative 2. And my y is negative 12. So same, I'm going to substitute negative 2 as x. So this x, I'm no longer writing it as x, I will write it as negative 2. And when I find this value, it gives me negative 13. It does not give me back my negative 12. So, now, do you think this point is on the line? Well done. Indeed, since it does not give me back my negative 12, meaning y is not equal to negative 12, then this point does not lie on the graph of y equals to 4x minus 5. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.